What?
They say work hard and you'll get ahead, but I'm just breaking
The duck there, is it strapped down to that?
just to pay that rent.
You mean like a
It's like a zip tie
zip tie?
Boss man talking
No, so
at the bottom.
at the bottom. Not the bottom. Oh no, I'm about to find out. Start digging from gold. How much insulation you need in one house?
Huh?
You gotta unscrew it. You gotta unscrew it.
We unscrewed everything down there. There's something holding it up here. I don't know what's holding it.
I think all you gotta do is push it up. You gotta take the black thing off to get this out. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. We're trying to get the strap off. Trying to figure out how it's on there. It's hot in this attic.
This side or is it down there?
Hey, right here is the hole. You see it? This is where we gotta put it. We gotta make a hole as big as this one over here beside it.